In an age of constant connectivity, a counter movement is gaining momentum. People are trading traditional living for freedom and offices of the open road. At LiTime, we've powered this lifestyle for years through our one-stop power solutions. But to truly understand your needs, we have embarked on a journey, converting a Class B RV into a mobile sanctuary. Today, we unveil not just a vehicle, but a blueprint for future living. What you see behind me started out life as a standard 6-seater van. We stripped it down to bare metal, removed seats, ceiling, and flooring, and rebuilt it into a self-sufficient sanctuary. Let me show you how we did it. Let's explore the 4-zone spatial architecture of this mobile habitat. Each zone is meticulously crafted for comfort and functionality. Now, let's take a closer look at where relaxation happens. The lounge zone features 2 sofa chairs with integrated 3-point seatbelts. A height-adjustable table anchors the space together. Dual-layer curtains black out for privacy and mesh for ventilation, frame into the panoramic windows. Whether working or dining, this sunlit sanctuary connects you to the passing landscape. The dividing curtain, when drawn, it seals off the cab. When open, it creates seamless access to the driver's seat. Adjacent to the lounge is the kitchen area. Here there's a sink, an induction cooktop, and a food preparation countertop. The sink supplies both hot and cold water, supported by a 150-liter freshwater tank and 50-water gray water tank. The sink's backsplash folds down to extend the countertop out. Below is a double-doored storage cabinet for kitchen supplies alongside a compact refrigerator. Now let's talk about keeping things organized. The storage system. For storage, 10 overhead cabinets of varying size circle the interior. Even with numerous items, organization remains simple as each cabinet securely locks during travel to prevent contents from falling out. When the day's adventures are finished, the rear is a 67 by 41-inch sleeping area constructed from wood. Under this bed is more storage. This space sleeps 1 adult and 1 child. That's 2 people. Additionally, the lounge area converts into a bed as well. When the chairs are folded down, it becomes a 74 by 31-inch adult bed, making this van perfect for a family of 3.
Join the LiTime community on social media. More powerful content is coming your way.